Okay, last time we created this vendor, we configured all the settings for creating business partner, and that business partner was then given the business partner role. Business partner role, this is business partner and it has multiple roles, FI vendor, vendor. Okay, these were the roles that were given to this business partner. Now, let's go and um, create some entries. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, FB60, invoice general, F43. Okay, today is 2024-03-16 and company code is T59X, AED 3000, T59X. 31 is the credit for the vendor. Okay, posting key is 31. Company code is T59. Okay, company code is T59X. And we have this 311030, enter. Okay, amount is 3000 as we gave in that, and 3000 AED, 3000 AED 16th March, text, and 40 will be expenses 3030201. Star cost center. Now, do we have a cost center? That is T59X. Okay, we have one cost center, EXP, text, assignment, document overview, and post. Now this will create a credit entry for ledger. Okay, ledger. Okay, let's check customizing settings and come on. Okay, accounting principle T59X, T59, T59. Don't have any conversion settings are missing. T59X. Posting period is empty. Posting period variant is empty in ledger BM. BM. Okay. So let's do one thing. The Fin SC ledger BM. Ledger BM. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Fin SC ledger BM. First, let's check what are the company code settings for posting period variant. T59X. Double click. January, December for special. Okay. K4. We'll try to delete the entry T59 because we don't need this ledger. T59X. Oh, not this one, yeah. Okay, data was saved. That will save us quite some time. And post. Oh, 59X. FG. FG. Pin SC underscore ledger. FG. T59X. T59X. Okay, let's hope this will not repeat. If it repeats, we'll have to repeat. Oh, it's upon repeating. Closing period T2 V9 XI Z2. Okay. T2. Okay. T2 V9 XI. T2 V9 XI. T2 V9. T59X. XI. Z2. Come on. Okay. Data was saved. Let's go back. Okay. Document was posted. More document display. Okay. Petty expenses. Well, I mean, this is any expense head, and this is posted in cost center. Profit center automatically, if you remember, we did document splitting. In document splitting, we assign automatic profit centers. So vendor, when we talk about vendor, it was separately created, but there was no profit center attached to it. But how did it pull? Because through reconciliation account that was mentioned. Okay. So how do we know that what recon account is pulled? We go to general ledger view. In general ledger view, we have document splitting working with zero balance clearing, and reconciliation account is 60,000, which has N01 profit center attached. Okay. And segment is DE01. Okay. So now let's see, because it has taken quite a lot of time in just posting one document. We'll just go and check the vendor balance, accounts payable, account, uh, line item. No, not line item. FBL1N. T59X, all items, what are cleared, what are opens, we'll discuss this in the next one. Special GL noted park customer items, execute. Okay, we have 3,000 assignment that we mentioned, and this is due or not due. This is still not due because the payment terms will actually dictate when it will be due. And we have 3,000 under this vendor shell out rating, and this is the balance that is outstanding. The reference is given over here, and debit credit is, this is a credit we've already given. Okay, and that's all for today.